south there somewhere, wondering when we'll be departing from here. Anyone else would go back inside, but we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires died down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, 1,000 good miles. The years have come and gone, but we're right where we feel we belong. And anyone else would have turned back by now, but we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires died down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down. Yeah, we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires died down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, 1,000 good miles. Yeah, yeah, 1,000 good miles. Oh, 1,000 good miles. Oh, oh, yeah, 1,000 good miles. Ooh, 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 yeah, 1,000 good miles.
The city's largest panel beaters. Upon finishing work on February 10, 1966, she headed straight home to get ready for the Blood Spectacular with her younger sister, Rosalind. Athena, dressed in a matching blouse and skirt, paired with new white sandals and a white shoulder bag. At 8:40 p.m., Fred Cadill's drove his daughters to Sheffield City Centre, picking up the girls too.
Hold on to the hand of self-destruction.
The group of four were excited.
I'm back to a place that I left a long time ago.
Fred dropped the girls off in his
Give me a sec while I smoke this cigarette.
boyfriend, 18
Making body feels better store. What do you do?
brother and his two sisters were raised by their strict Scottish father.
Pick up my guitar and
The death of their mother 13 years earlier.
too much on your plate. Need
Ian's proficiency
everything will be better when I find a way.
and the different eager for some independence, Ian moved out of home shortly after and lived a room in a ward.
People leave, do they ever think about you?
He was regarded as a jovial person with a mystery.
What I'd say if I ever came back again.
Athena visited
I still wonder and I miss you. No, I'll ask you when I see you again, my friend. What do you do when you get the blues? Just pick up my guitar and too much on your plate when you guitar in.
Gary dropped a gale off at her house.
Too much on your plate when you need to escape. Every little thing will be better when I find a way.
Gary meticulously cared for the vehicle and enjoyed driving it around town, relishing the attention it generated. Before Gary headed to the mods,
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We know where these rivers flow, why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reapers Ford to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City,